Did you know that seniors with hobbies live 7.5 years longer on average? The golden years should be vibrant, not passive. Studies show that lacking hobbies increases risks of depression, isolation, and chronic diseases. Today, we'll explore 7 transformative hobbies to boost your health, happiness, and social connections. Imagine waking up with purpose. Let's begin this journey together. Gardening isn't just about plants, it's therapy. Research reveals that 30 minutes of gardening reduces cortisol levels by 30%. Seniors who garden report better mobility and fewer aches. Plus, growing your own herbs cuts grocery costs. Start small. Try potted plants or a raised garden bed with knee-friendly pads. Pro tip: basil and lavender are easy to grow and boost mood. Walking groups combine fitness and friendship, a double win. A 2023 study found that seniors in walking clubs take 20% more daily steps than solo walkers. Scenic trails reduce stress, while group chatter keeps your mind sharp. Local community centers often host free clubs. Wear supportive shoes and aim for 5,000 steps. It's enough to lower heart disease risk by 15%. Art isn't about perfection, it's about expression. Painting lowers dementia risk by stimulating neural pathways. Seniors in art classes report 40% less anxiety. Watercolors are beginner-friendly. Try blending blues and greens for calming landscapes. Many libraries offer free senior workshops. Remember, every brushstroke tells your unique story. Music is medicine for the soul. Singing releases endorphins, reducing chronic pain perception by 25%. Playing an instrument like the piano improves hand-eye coordination. Join a community choir or dust off that old guitar. YouTube tutorials make learning easy. Pro tip: humming daily strengthens lung capacity and fights stress. Volunteering adds years to your life, literally. Seniors who volunteer weekly have a 30% lower mortality rate. Tutoring kids or serving meals combats loneliness and keeps your mind active. Animal shelters always need dog walkers. Petting a pup lowers blood pressure too. Small acts create ripples of joy. Tai Chi isn't just slow motion, it's a longevity secret. Practicing twice weekly improves balance by 50%, preventing falls. Yoga's deep breathing cuts insomnia rates among seniors by 35%. Use chairs for support if needed. Local parks often host free sunrise classes. Breathe in and let tension fade. Books are bridges between minds and generations. Seniors in book clubs retain 20% sharper memory recall. Pick memoirs or historical fiction to spark rich discussions. Libraries curate senior-friendly lists or start a Skype club with distant grandkids. Pro tip: audiobooks while gardening, multitasking bliss. Tech fear? Time to reframe. Video calls with grandkids slash senior depression rates by 40%. Free online classes like Coursera's Art History keep minds agile. Start with a tablet. Larger screens help. Grandchildren make the best tech tutors. Remember, every click connects you to a bigger world. From gardening to video calls, these hobbies aren't just pastimes, they're lifelines. Start with one. Join a walking club next Tuesday or plant basil seeds today. Your future self will thank you. Share this video with a friend because joy multiplies when shared. Here's to your healthiest, happiest chapter yet.